Hello everyone, my name is Oliver from Lux Trading, and today I'm here with Brian Garner, our newest live trader who just passed the evaluation stage. First, let me welcome you on the show, Brian.
Thank you.
First of all, congratulations on the result. You've passed very well. First, I want to just start with asking you, how did you get into trading?
It was about 5 years ago. I was coming up for retirement. In fact, I've just recently retired, and it was something I wanted to help fund my retirement fund and also keep me occupied while I'm not doing anything else.
What did you do before you retired?
I was a driving instructor, but I also had a transport business quite a few years ago. That was my main career, but I folded that some time ago and did driving instructing up to that.
Okay, and so how long have you been trading for already?
5 years.
That's quite some time already, so quite a lot of experience.
Yeah, obviously I made quite a lot of mistakes to begin with. Didn't really investigate my brokers very well and got ripped off by about £5,000 initially, but yeah, I've learned all my lessons now.
Yeah, so how would you describe your experience with the evaluation stage so far?
Really good, actually, really good. I really like the ethics of Lux. I think I am funded by another prop firm, and the pressures of passing the evaluation were really quite high because the target was very high in a very short time. So the no time limit with Lux I found absolutely fantastic. The risk management also took me a little while to get my head around that because it's not like I've traded before with other prop firms. But in actual fact, I think it's excellent, and I now kind of include that risk management in all of my trading that I do.
Great. Have you already received a refund of your evaluation fee?
Absolutely. Within half an hour of me requesting it, it was in my bank.
Great. Awesome. Good to hear. So now maybe I just want to ask, what sort of a trader are you? How would you describe yourself as a trader?
Intraday, I trade using the 15-minute time frames. I'm a trend follower, so what I'll do is I'll look on the 4-hour daily for a trend, wait for a pullback, say on the 4-hour, depending on the chart, and then from then on I'll be looking for entries on the 15-minute, looking for supply and demand zones, break, close, retest of a supply and demand zone, and then enter the trade.
Awesome. Throughout the evaluation stage, what were some of the biggest mistakes you've made and the lesson you've learned?
Oh, consistency, concurrent risk. I was entering too many trades at one time. Although I was keeping my risk below the maximum loss, I wasn't keeping it consistent. And I actually passed it. I passed it a couple of months ago. Then I got knocked back because my consistency was too. Well, it was just too inconsistent. So then I learned a lot from that, and from then on, I kept my concurrent risk low. Now, if I only enter one trade at a time, and I'll only enter another one if I've moved my stop loss into a take profit on that one, so my risk is always the same.
Would you say that have made you a better trader?
Oh, crikey, yes. Yeah, absolutely, without doubt. Yeah, I say I include that in all my trading now, just keeping my risk low. It was discovering that trading, certainly with Lux, is a marathon, not a sprint. And what I found with other prop traders, that it's always a sprint because you've got this time limit sort of hanging over your head the whole time. And that's what I love about the Lux, the no time limit.
The time limit is, I've talked about it on our YouTube channel multiple times, why that is in place usually. It's because a lot of companies simply, or their main source of income is the fees of the losing traders. So you benefit from pressuring the trader into taking high risk.
Oh, without doubt. Yeah, without doubt. I think Lux is more for the career trader. The ethics is what impresses me the most about it. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. What would you advise somebody who's just starting their trading career?
Take your time. Yeah, like I said before, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Keep your risk low, and that way, if you're saying risk only 0.3% of your capital, your risk capital, then you're never going to get anywhere near. If you've got a reliable strategy, You can never get anywhere near your blowing the account.
Yeah, that's true, because to blow your account, you would need to lose way too many trades in a row.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, I mean, my first one when I passed it, then got knocked back a little. I got within, on a 15K account, I got within about a couple $100 of the max loss, but that was before I was applying the risk strategy.
And how was it after you lowered your risk, made your risk management more consistent? How was it then?
The graph just climbed. Obviously, you're never going to win every trade. It's impossible. But it just climbed. It was a nice gradual slope up there, and got there in the end. I was really, really happy to do so as well.
So in this case, slow and steady wins the race, basically.
Absolutely, without a doubt.
All right. And how did you feel about the relative drawdown? Was that something you've experienced before, or was that something new?
Well, no, I mean, you've always got, obviously with prop trading, you've always got that drawdown limit. It wasn't an issue for me because the risk was kept low. So that way, like I said before, you don't get anywhere near, if your strategy is reliable, anywhere near that drawdown limit. So very happy with it.
Okay, so would you say you would recommend Lux Trading to other traders?
Absolutely, without a doubt. Yeah, to me, it's the best one I've ever traded with. Yeah, and intend to keep it that way.
Thank you. That's very nice to hear. With you, you said you're an intraday trader. Was it the same way from the beginning, or did you just over time find yourself to be an intraday trader?
I'll keep trades overnight, but only if they're nowhere near a stop loss, because obviously when you get the market close at 10 p.m. UK, when the New York closes, you do get this terrific move, and if it's anywhere near the stop loss, it will actually stop you out. But if it's in profit, like I did last night, actually, to be honest, when the CAD JPY, I kept it running because it was in profit, and it actually hit profit target overnight. So
awesome. It's good to hear.
Yeah. My first trade on the new live account. So yeah, I like trades to complete over the day. But if they don't, it depends where they are, whether I'll close it or leave it.
Well, I think we sort of went over all of the important parts of the interview. So thank you for joining me. It's been a real pleasure having you here. And I hope we'll be speaking soon again after you reach your professional account.
Yeah, no target, so no limit, just grind on till I'm there.
Yeah, keep it slow and steady and you'll get there for sure.
I'm sure.
So thank you very much for being here today. And for you viewers, if you want to learn more about Lux, feel free to leave your questions down in the comment section down below, or feel free to email us at info@luxtradingfirm.com or reach us on our 24/7 live chat. My name has been Oliver. Thank you for watching and have a great one.